Greetings cosmic wanderers, I'm 44. In this video, we will delve into the influence of the Sun in the third house on your intellect and communication skills. Let's start by briefly discussing the meaning of the third house in the Sun. The third house, also known as the Gemini house, governs our communication, thought processes, and intellect. On the other hand, the Sun represents our identity, sense of self, and life purpose. When the Sun is placed in the third house, it merges these two energies, emphasizing the importance of one's communication skills, intellect, and self-expression in achieving their life purpose. A well-aspected Sun in the third house can indicate excellent verbal skills and a strong sense of individuality. These individuals may excel in careers related to writing, journalism, or teaching. They also have an active and curious mind, always seeking to expand their knowledge and understanding of the world. However, a negatively aspected Sun in the third house can suggest challenges in communication and expression. These individuals may struggle with self-doubt and may find it difficult to articulate their thoughts and ideas effectively. From the perspective of evolutionary astrology, the purpose of this placement is to develop strong communication skills, a confident self-expression, and to align one's intellectual pursuits with their life purpose. Practicing mindfulness and self-reflection, as well as taking courses or workshops in communication, can help to enhance one's abilities in this area. It's important to remember that this placement should be considered in the context of the entire natal chart and not in isolation. To gain a more in-depth understanding of your natal chart, you can consult with an astrologer or generate your own chart using an online calculator. By exploring the influence of the Sun in the third house, individuals can gain insights into their strengths and challenges related to communication and self-expression. This understanding can provide valuable guidance in pursuing their life purpose with clarity and intention. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to seek guidance from an astrologer if you desire a deeper reading of your natal chart.